Widows aren't supposed to be beautiful. I think the world would rather we stopped. Is that fair? That we stop?
That's not fair at all. I've never,
Martha, what have I told you about entering unannounced?
I wasn't on the list.
For you. Don't let me abandon you.
That's no good. What about the stuff you didn't tell me? What about women? Oh, no, you didn't think of that. What the hell am I supposed to do then?
Thank you.
You had to, didn't you? Had to go and fall in love with a human. And it wasn't me.
Darkness is coming.
Keep me away from the false and empty man.
Last of the Time Lords, the last of that wise and ancient race.
Look at the faces of men.
Silly beggars! Nearly broke me neck. Who's that then? Is it you, Saul? I don't understand. It's Mr. Clark, isn't it? What have I done wrong?
Nothing at all. In fact, you're just what we need, girl.
She works at the school. And whatever's happening seems to be centered around that establishment. The faintest of traces, but they all lead back there.
It's Baines, isn't it? This isn't very funny, sir.
Just shut up! Stop talking! Cease and desist! There's a good girl! A mother of mine is dying to meet you. And here she is.
Stop mocking me, sir! No.
Mother of mine just needs a shape. We go through shapes so very fast. Yours is perfectly adequate, if a little grim. Mother of mine, embrace her.
You look wonderful.
You best give me some warning. Can you actually dance?
I'm not certain.
There's a surprise. Is there anything you're certain about?
Yes. Yes.
There you are. Come and look what I've got. Mr. Paul didn't want his afternoon tea, so Cook said I could have it. And there's enough for two. What are you standing there for? Are you all right?
I must have a cold coming on.
Problem is, I keep thinking about them, but I don't know what to do.
Thinking about who?
Mr. Smith and Matron. Because it's never going to last. He's going to leave in a few weeks.
Why?
It's like his contract comes to an end, and she's going to be heartbroken.
Leave for where?
All sorts of places. I wish I could tell you, Jenny, but it's complicated.
In what way?
I just can't.
It sounds so interesting. Tell me. Tell me now.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, thanks.
I could put a nice bit of gravy in the pot. And some mutton. Or sardines and jam, how about that?
I like the sound of that.
Right. Hold on a tick.
Martha, I warned you.
They found us and I've seen them. They look like people, like us, like normal. I'm sorry, but you've got to open the watch. Where is it? Oh my God, where's it gone? Where's the watch?
What are you talking about?
You had a watch, a fob watch, right there.
Did I? I don't remember.
I can't think what concern it is of yours.
But we need it. Oh my God, Doctor, we're hiding from aliens and they've got Jenny and they've possessed her or copied her or something and you've got to tell me where's the watch.
Oh, I see. Cultural differences. It must be so confusing for you. Mother, this is what we call a story.
Oh, you complete. This is not you. This is 1913.
Good. This is 1913.
I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, but I've got to snap you out of this. Oh! Wake up! You're coming back to the TARDIS with me!
How dare you? I'm not going anywhere with an insane servant. Martha, you are dismissed. Leave these premises immediately. Now get out! Nerve of it, the absolute cheek. You think I'm a fantasist? What about her?
The funny thing is, you did have a fob watch. Right there. Don't you remember?
Oh, sorry! Sorry!
Martha?
Not now, she's busy!
Mr. Smith? No one home.
The maid was definitely hiding something. A secret around this Mr. Smith.
We both scented him, though. He was plain and simple human.
Maybe he knows something. Where is he?
She's infatuated. You're a dangerous man.
You've taken my arm in public.
I'm very scared.
Spare a penny for the veterans of the Crimea, sir?
Yes, of course. There you are, mate.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your partners for a waltz.